The Hindustan Ambassador, often called the King of Indian Roads, has made a legendary comeback in 2025. Once a symbol of power, prestige, and reliability, the Ambassador ruled Indian streets for decades before fading away. Now, it returns with a brand new design, advanced technology, and modern features, while still carrying its classic charm. Welcome to Auto World, where today we bring you the complete review of the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador. Exterior design. The 2025 Ambassador blends retro elegance with futuristic styling. The iconic round headlamps return but with full LED technology, giving it a modern edge. The front grille has been redesigned with chrome highlights, paying homage to the original. The body is more aerodynamic yet still carries the muscular stance that made the Ambassador a favorite of politicians and families alike. Available in dual-tone color options, it perfectly balances nostalgia with innovation. Interior comfort. Step inside, and you are greeted with a premium cabin that combines heritage with luxury. Plush leather seats, a digital driver display, and a large touchscreen infotainment system bring the Ambassador into the modern era. The rear seats still prioritize space and comfort, offering an executive lounge-like experience. Ambient lighting and premium sound systems make it a true luxury sedan of the future. Engine and performance. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador comes with multiple powertrain options, including a 1.5L turbo petrol, a refined diesel engine, and even an electric variant for eco-conscious buyers. With smooth automatic and manual transmission choices, the car ensures versatility. Advanced suspension technology ensures a comfortable ride, just like the Ambassador was always known for. Safety and technology. Equipped with 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, traction control, and ADAS features like lane keep assist and emergency braking, the new Ambassador sets high safety standards. The infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with wireless charging and connected car technology. Conclusion. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is not just a car, it's a revival of an icon. By blending its proud legacy with today's technology, it promises to capture both the hearts of nostalgic fans and the attention of modern buyers. This was the complete review of the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador from your favorite channel, Auto World. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive updates.